Previously.
If you don't have my money or my goods by 5 p.m. today,
$10,000 for the winner. I think I'm gonna enter. What you think?
yo,
You remember them artists that I was telling you about?
just come link me in that studio, yeah?
Serious? We can't reach our studio one hour.
Kidding me? Fuck. Oh, fuck. Jesus Christ.
Fool you take me for, eh? Just trying to get back to you. Look how long I'm gonna call you. It's bad service. You see, man, when me work for, them man they not play with time. Some things happened. And yeah? Got robbed, man. Who robbed you? You know who robbed you? I don't know. They came from out of nowhere. I don't even remember
Steve,
where I was.
I ask if you know what you do, you tell me say you know what you do. You not built for this. Right now the man want him thing. How you go about that?
But I give you what I got. That's all I got for right now. I could get you the rest by tomorrow. I promise. I get it by tomorrow.
I need the rest of the bread. Tell her you not built for them streets, eh? But you tell me say you're sure. Find the rest of money, yeah? That me I tell you.
What's up, man?
Yo, brother, how go on?
I'm here, man.
There in the studio, I put in the work, you know.
I see.
Cause you know that hard work, you know. Whenever I work, you know, dep on the grind, you know.
Studio nice,
I
boy.
hunt for the green.
Yeah.
What go on with them artists, brother, the way I've been telling them about?
Yo, like I'm telling you, man, yo, these dudes, they nice, man. I got 4 of them. War Professor.
4 of them.
I got Spitter Rhymes. I got a BB. Rap a lot.
Different still in a whole heap of youth out the road of talent, you know. What's so special about them youth here?
I mean, they nice though, like, they from like different nationalities. Like, you got one Jamaican, you got a Pakistani, and you got 2 Americans, but they like nice with the lyrics, boy.
2 American.
And yo, they always battling, boy.
Oh! So it's like a culture buckle thing.
Yeah, man. So like, what's up with you beside the music, yo, man? What you been up to?
What up with me? No, my thing different, you know, dog. Right now, some clothes and them thing them are selling up. You know, see it? Right now, the thing international. Cause you don't know, you know, what swag them always buck, you know. That's some international swag.
One fuck, me can't repeat.
International swag.
I'm gonna hit you up, though. I'm gonna let you know what's up, though. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna ring you, alright?
So that, like when you come link me up.
Gotta go, though. Like, I'm gonna holler at you, though, man.
Alright, brother. That's how.
Yo, boss, so go on. You wanna run in a little thing with one of the man that
Yo,
maybe I
you
used
see
to
me?
push.
I'm a timely person.
But you, man,
Timing is everything to me.
I know, man. Your thing different, man.
I'm very precise.
But that's make you know, some that's run look late.
I don't wait on no one.
Me a cover theme part, man. Hey, babes.
What's up?
I'm here.
I've been calling you all day. What's up with you?
I'm sorry, man. I didn't hear my phone, man. My head is everywhere right now,
I mean,
Nothing.
what you mean nothing?
Listen,
You know how we going through problems and the bills is like backing up on me and stuff? I kind of went and borrowed some money and I told this guy I was gonna give it back. And I got robbed. Listen, man, I don't know, man, like, and the dude, he's calling my phone, he wants his money. It's
So
like,
you never come to me first.
I didn't want to get you involved. I'm trying to fix things, you know what I mean? I just need to know that I have your support. That's it. I didn't want to get you involved in this. I'm just trying to fix things. I could fix this. I could fix this. I'm gonna fix it.
You better fix it.
Take it from the top. Habibi, I wear Prada and Fendi. My mix CD drops harder than Wendy. Hello.
Yo, baby, what's up, man?
Okay.
I mean, we can get together.
Okay, wrap this up.
Yo, Flakes. Already got the idea for the song. I just need all of you guys to cooperate. Don't say another word. Fresh out of jail, I'm about to rob somebody, nigga. Yo, Flakes. How you feel about getting back in the studio, you know? I'm on, son. Get together and get this money. You feel what I'm saying? Aight, boy.